Which Magsafe car phone holder is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, Android car phone holder. Let's kick things off with the Android car phone holder. At around $26.99, this one's caught my eye because it has some impressive claims. If you want a strong, reliable hold for your iPhone while driving, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It boasts 78 plus pounds of suction power and 2,400 GF magnetic strength, which means no more worrying about your phone flying off during sharp turns or bumpy roads. The 360 degrees rotation and dual-axis adjustment ensure you can always find the perfect angle for navigation or calls. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it stays put and performs exceptionally well, so if you're okay with a little initial effort, it'll pay off. This is perfect for you if you often find yourself on the road needing a solid mount that won't budge. Skip this one if you need a quick grab-and-go solution, as it takes a bit to get it right initially. Product number 2, LISEN car mount. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list is the LISEN car mount, priced at just $16.93. I was drawn to this one because of its strong suction and magnetic hold. If you're after an affordable yet reliable option, keep listening. The key feature here is its 6-layer suction cup that delivers 100% stronger hold than typical mounts. It can support up to 89 pounds, making it stable even on the bumpiest roads. Plus, the 2,400 GF magnetic force keeps your phone secure through all the twists and turns. This means you can navigate or take calls without worrying about your phone falling off. It also has a washable nano top layer, so you can maintain that strong grip. However, some users noted that it might not stick well on certain dashboards. But honestly, as long as you choose the right mounting surface, it should work beautifully. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly yet effective car mount. Skip this one if you want something that works on any surface without consideration. Product number 3, mirror case car mount. If LISEN's potential dashboard issues bothered you, let's look at the mirror case car mount, which retails for $21.99. This one really caught my attention for its ultra-strong hold and flexibility. If you want something that adapts easily to your driving style, this could be your go-to. What sets this mount apart is its 3,600 GF magnet paired with an 89-pound suction base. This means it's designed to stay secure no matter how wild the ride gets. The 360 degrees rotating base and adjustable arm let you switch from portrait to landscape quickly, which is perfect for GPS or video calls. Plus, it can withstand extreme temperatures, so you won't have to worry about it failing in hot weather. But I have to be honest, some users found the suction could weaken over time. Here's the thing though, if you keep it clean and follow the maintenance tips, it can last you a long time without issues. This is great for you if you often switch between portrait and landscape views while driving. Skip it if you're looking for a one-time installation without further maintenance. Product number 4, mirror case air vent holder. Next up, let's check out the mirror case air vent holder, priced at $17.99. I love how this one is designed specifically for those who prefer air vent mounts. If you want something that's easy to access and quick to install, keep listening. This holder brings 20 powerful magnets that keep your phone secure even on bumpy roads, plus a soft silicone surface that protects your device. What's great is its compatibility with most air vents, and you won't have to remove your pop socket to use it, which is a huge plus for many. It also has a quiet adjustment feature, so you can rotate it without any distracting noises. However, some reviews mentioned it may not fit all vent types, especially round ones. But if you have standard horizontal or vertical vents, you should be just fine. This is perfect for you if you value quick access and easy installation. Skip this if you have round air vents or prefer dash-mounted solutions. Product number 5, LISEN wireless charger mount. Finally, let's wrap it up with the LISEN wireless charger mount, priced at $15.27. I found this to be an intriguing option because it combines a car mount and a wireless charger. If you want to keep your phone powered while driving, this is a fantastic choice. The 15W wireless charging feature means you can simply place your phone on the mount and it starts charging automatically. Plus, the magnetic hold is tested to support multiple phones at once, which ensures stability during your drive. It also features an LED glow for easy locating at night. However, some users pointed out that it works best with official Magsafe cases. If your phone has a thicker case or a pop socket, it might not charge effectively. But look, if you have a Magsafe compatible phone, this is definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you frequently use GPS or music apps on long drives and want to keep your phone charged. Skip this if you have a non-Magsafe phone or a thick protective case. So there you have it. We've covered 5 fantastic Magsafe car phone holders, each with its own strengths. Whether you want something for stability, budget friendliness, or even a wireless charging solution, there's something here for everyone. Make your choice based on what fits your driving style best.